How to add debit card to Crypto.com app. First, download Crypto.com application from Google Play Store or App Store. On home page, click on this blue button called Trade. Okay, next you get this pop-up where you can either buy or sell. You want to go ahead and click on Buy. Once you do that, then you're going to get a list of cryptocurrency that you can buy on Crypto.com. For this video, click on Bitcoin. Once you click there, then, as you can see, you get to choose the funding source, so either credit card, crypto wallet, fiat wallet. Click on Add Credit or Debit Card. Next, the screen pops up where you can add credit card or debit card. They will ask for the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV number, first and last name. Then click on Add Card. That's it. Thanks for watching.